What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as promised, today we are doing Raptor Liner part 2. Check out the car. That's right, guys, this time we are doing a car instead of a truck this time. This is a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE trim level. The color is white. We're going to be hitting it with another bright white color, so we're going to be doing white over the top of white. We've got this bad boy sanded down already. As you can see, there's some spots where we got down to the bare metal, where we're going to have to hit it with some primer and whatnot before we Raptor line over the top of it. My brother is working on getting it all taped and masked off right now. So we've got a little bit of prep work left to do before we start hitting this bad boy with the first coat of Raptor Liner. So this is an 8-liter tintable Raptor Liner kit that we picked up off of Amazon. The tint is custom shop. I believe this is called their bright white tint. I'm just showing you like the color right here. This will be linked down below. The kit comes with a gun that we're going to be using to spray and apply it. We've got our pressure washer right there, that yellow, the air compressor, this yellow and black guy right there. So this is what we're going to be using to spray down the car with. As I already said, it's a white base already. We're going to be spraying white over the top of it. The reason that we're hitting it with this is because this is primarily a highway mile driven car. So this guy has got a lot of rock damage, a lot of chips and whatnot, and so we're just going to be hitting it with a Raptor Liner, leaving basically the factory color on it, but just giving it something that'll be a lot more, give a lot more protection and a lot more durability for all these highway miles that this car is getting. I'll mention as well, we hit this guy with 100 grit sandpaper as part of the prep process, and then afterwards we washed the entire thing down with this Purple Power Extreme Power Cleaner Degreaser. Obviously this guy is completely dry, and we're just doing the taping masking portion right now, and then we'll get to start spraying. Okay guys, so the car is pretty much completely prepped as far as the taping, masking, and cleaning off portion. We're going to go ahead and hit it with some Painter's Touch 2X paint and primer from Rust-Oleum in the parts where we've gotten down to bare metal. Hi Ryder. And we are going to use that to cover up all the bare metal spots before we hit it with the Raptor Liner. All right, guys, so there you have it. This car turned out amazing. The color is awesome. It's a super bright white, but it's got kind of like a pearl to it. I wonder if that'll change at all as it dries over the course of the next few days, but overall it turned out amazing. We got a real nice texture to it. The black on white is a super clean color pattern, obviously, and I think that the way that this car turned out is awesome. My brother honestly did like 99% of the work. I just was filming this whole process, but he did a fantastic job, and this car is gonna look awesome, and this paint job is definitely gonna turn a lot of heads, give you a nice close-up of the texture right there. We've got a little bit of cleanup to do. There's like some specks that got through the plastic and whatnot, but all this stuff will honestly just wipe off with like a rag and some mineral spirits or some paint thinner or something like that. But this is what the car looks like. It turned out incredible. If you guys have any questions about the process or any of the steps or anything that we did while we were doing this project, leave it down in the comments below and I will try and get back to you guys. As always, I try and answer every single comment on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you're not already a part of the channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace.